So many of us have been working from home. I would say since the beginning of the pandemic. That's back then. And personally, for me, I started working from home since 2019, not before even we went on lockdown. And since then, I've been working from home, and most of my stuff are heavily on computers. And for all day long, I will stare at computers, not only for my 9 to 5 job, but also on my online businesses such as content creating and stuff like that. I stare a lot on screen. And if you are not aware, we get exposed to something that is called blue screen, and it's very important that you have to protect yourself. Now, there are many ways you can go around with it. Some doctors or some medical professional would advise you have to, every 30 minutes or so, you have to get out of your spot and then go take a walk or just do something different without staring the screen. And some of their some other advices are you have to get those protective glasses. So instead of having the medical glasses, but you get the blue ray protection glasses or the blue UV protection glasses. But there are also alternative ways, and this is what I am going to talk about, which is the sponsor of this video, FORITO. So they've reached out and they were like, hey, do you want to check out this? And I want to tell you about this product. So you can get this on Amazon. I have the link in the description. One thing I really like about this one is you will see in a moment how versatile this one is. It's not locked into a specific computer, so you can literally move around on different devices that you have with you when you are working and staring at the computer screen. When you get the product, it will come in a box, and within the box, definitely when you open it, you will directly see the blue light protector. This is the one, and this is what we call the anti-glare and blue ray protector or blue light protector. And when you get the box, when you purchase the box will come with a couple of accessories, and the main one is this one. And you can see it's matte finish. We'll talk more about it in a minute. You will get some other accessories such as this one, the screen protector that you have to clean, and you have some instructions how to install it, and I am going to show you how to do that in this video. You may think that it's just a plastic, but this is well crafted so that it will prevent you from suffering when you are staring at the screen. I have two devices with me. We have this one. This is the Lenovo, my gaming laptop, and I also have my other laptop, which is the Mac OS M2 Max. So we are going to install this on these two devices. Now, I'm saying installing, it's not really a big deal on installing this one, unlike other one which you get a specific size and that will only fit on one of your device, and that's it. And if you have another device, you have to buy another one. But the advantage of having this one, what I really like about this one is I have two devices, so whenever I am using one or another, it's easily for me to just get this one and boom, install it or place it on the other device. And in case you didn't see, look at the way this one is built. You'll see that you see the curve, this curve over here, which means you literally just have to get this device and you place it like this on the computer, literally just like that. And I'll show you like this. Literally, that's all you have to do to install this. Now you see that it's matte finish. This is normal because it still has the protective film on it. So we have to peel this protective film and then we install it on the device. So let's do that. All right, we are going to proceed on the installation. All right, we are going to proceed on the installation, but before I move further, I want to tell you, all right, All right, so we are going to proceed on the installation. I've got two devices with me. I mentioned earlier, this is very versatile that you can put on any device. You just have to move it along from here to here and whatnot. So it's a very straightforward installation. This is really what I like about this one. But when you have this yellow stuff, we just want to look at what comes in this yellow stuff. And I want to tell you that when you're opening it, be very careful because you can just tear off this stuff. But that yellow thing, you have some stickers which you can remove the dust and whatnot. Okay, so what you will do is we get this one here, this cloth, and this cloth we're going to wipe our screen. So you open it up, okay, you get this one. So we're going to wipe on both screens. I like doing it this way. Whenever I clean my screens, I always go in circular motion like this. Okay, and then we get our cloth and we wipe. Go in circular motion, and I will repeat the same process on this device over here. Same process. We need to clean our screen thoroughly. It's good that when you buy something and it has everything that you need to install it. This is what I like about product like this one. You don't have to worry about, oh, I need this, I need to get that. So the kit comes complete with these accessories that you need when you are doing the installation. So what I'm seeing here, it looks like I've removed all the dust on my screen and the screen looks really clean. And if you think that you still have like some spots where you want to really be detailed, you have this one, this sticker here that you can use. You can always use this sticker to dust off the spots that you are seeing. But for me, it looks like everything seems about right. So I'll move ahead and install it on this one here. Literally what we will do is just place it on the computer like this, because this one is versatile. As I mentioned, you can move it around. And I will go ahead and firstly remove this one. You have the numbers as well. You see you have number 1 over here. Sorry, this is number 2, which means this is the last one that we have to remove. Let me do it this way so you can see that it's written number 2, which means this is the last one that you have to remove. And this side here, it's written number 1, which means this is the first one we need to peel. So I'll go ahead and peel that. All right, once this one is peeled off, you can get this guy and place it on your screen. Now this one comes with in different sizes, but this size that I got is exactly, let me tell you, so the size that I got is exactly 15.6 inch of the screen, but you can also get on different sizes. I'll put the sizes on the screen and also in the description so you know which one you want to order for your computer, or maybe you have a desktop, you can also get one for your desktop. But the one that I'm using currently is a 15.6 inches. All right, so now that I have that, and I can go ahead and remove this part over here, and you can see now it's all clear. At first it was looking at matte finish, but look at how clear it is after we remove this peel. These peels are meant to protect during transportation and packaging, but when you are using it, you'll see that it get really clear. So I'm able to touch from here so that it's easier for me to peel it. There are many ways you can do it to peel it. It's either you do it as I'm doing it this way, but it looks like doing it this way, it's a little bit challenging, but you get the gist. It's really clear. It's crystal clear after removing this peel. It's really crystal clear. There we go, you see? And I have to tell you, it's really clean. If I do this, I can't even see myself here. You see, like you can see it's the glare, it's already coming. I haven't even turned on the computer, but I can feel it's reflecting back to my eyes. But then when I put this one here, my eyes are just seeing like a mirror. I'm just seeing the mirror. I'm seeing my here, this one, and I'm seeing myself. It's just like my mirror, so which is really good. I really like this product. So I'll turn on my computer and we are going to test this on the Mac. Oh man, this really improves the vision in terms of clarity. It's really clear what I'm seeing. All right, so I have this one installed, and I have to say my first impression, I will give this product probably 8 out of 10. I know why. Maybe that reason could just be personal, but when it comes to the work that this thing is doing, I have to tell you, I think it's already doing what it should do. And I am kind of impressed because the clarity, it's really clear. It doesn't give me any distraction or something missing or whatnot. And that's kind of something I really like. I really like how it is built, how clear it is. And I have to say, this is something I would definitely recommend you to get if you work a lot on your computer, especially with me. I started feeling like sometimes I'll have my eyes really hurting, but this product, it's best because I can take it out from here and then we move it over here on the other machine. Now, of course, on the other machine, it's smaller, but if you look at with Mac OS, sometimes the screen only goes all the way up to where you are seeing my finger underneath here. So I don't think there is a big issue when you have a window open such as this one. And also I have to tell you, oh boy, this is really cool. Really cool. And it doesn't scratch your screen because this screen goes all over the edges. And if you look at the edges of this Mac OS, have a rubber seal all around, and this one just sits on the rubber seal, so it doesn't affect your laptop screen, your original laptop screen. It doesn't affect it, doesn't scratch it, so which is really good. I think I like that. So it just sit like that, and you should be really okay. And when you're done, one thing I would say, when you're done, I'll probably would like them to have a protector where you can get this one and slide it in your protector, and when you're out of your you out of the office and whatnot, you can have this put it on the protector and you safeguard this. So all right, you saw I've demonstrated how you can install this blue light protector. It's definitely something you would want to have, because for people who work heavily on a laptop and staring at the screen, this is a product you want to have. I know some other people have contact lenses, but those contact lenses don't protect you from the blue light. This is something you would want to have. Definitely, I am recommending this one because of the versatility. Look at it yourself. I can use it on my Mac, I can use it on my other laptop, which exactly fits this entire screen, although on my laptop, which is the MacBook Pro M1 Max. But if you look at it, the screen of an application only goes up to where exactly this one ends, and I have to say there isn't any deal breaker on using this on a MacBook Pro, on a MacBook Air, or any other smaller screen. So this screen is exactly versatile. It already saves you not to buy too many of this blue light protector. So go ahead, order it, protect your eyes so that your eyes cannot hurt and keep your vision for long. Thank you for watching. You have questions, leave in the comments, and I hope I catch you on the next one. Peace out.